Hello friends, welcome back to the Ice and Share channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve this file came from another computer and might be blocked issue. Method 1. Fix blocked files came from another computer with file repair tool. On your computer, open the browser and head to Ice and Share's Repair Genius website. This software can help repair the blocked files in clicks. Download and install the software on your computer. Open Ice and Share's Repair Genius. Click the File Repair option on the left side. Then click the Add File button to import your blocked files into the software. After that, click the Repair button on the lower left corner to start repairing. Soon, the file is repaired successfully. You can hit the Save button to save it locally. Finally, you can open the file to check whether the issue is fixed or not. Method to disable the protected view in Microsoft Office. Open the corresponding Microsoft Office software and click the Options tab on the sidebar. OK. Hit the Trust Center. Click Trust Center Settings button. Now go to the Protected View option. Uncheck the first settings and last settings. Hit the OK button to apply the changes. Method 3. Fix the file block issue with Group Policy Editor. Press Windows and R keys to open Run dialog box. Then input pedit.msc to open Group Policy Editor. Expand the folder User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Attachment Manager. Double-click the option Do Not Preserve Zone Information in File Attachments. Alright, now tick the Enabled option and click the OK button. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.